Vuomogusi.
Bwirevya omanju mulirweta seni Kyandizi TV nechinga kichindengo kwaligania twemanye amangana amaya asenjera yowenge nigo charegere chinsa 10 chabono maruba chitariki 20 n'emwetenyu ogatano mwaka bw'echiri 2024 erigo tochikubaterana nere Lydia Mose uyo kumanya asenjera yemanyere nere Sara Mumanyi okwane kinga maregene chibicha agwekere asenjera yowekano eritariane Dorcas Kemuma okonyoria na bogoto bwatia wetera senjera yemitandao asensemo ya Facebook otanyabuna Ndizi TV News digital koikagari ya YouTube notorebuna Ndizi TV News na boigo as a website tonyoria na www.ndizitv.net. Amalito nigo tokanya chaka kurase county ya Kisii ase omusangire kanobo osangirya ebirengeryo bobwemwe omwemsiye wewodi yechuni Wycliffe Searcher oyo alinge gose aikirana goparekana ase ewodi yaye elyo osangirya ebirengeryo igoro yo kwagacha gose kwagacha kwenye gitari ya ekiribo nigo bono obakugoturbanirwa maiga y'abantu batamanyiri kuba asagana ase barenge kana umusangerekano yo korengana na kirori nigo batubani abantabo bakageire ko ba ababwatani ebo omubunge bwa enseme yo yanyaribari masaba nere Dr. Daniel Manduku asebono baturubania umusangerekano inonya ane eganga yo umusangerekano tegeti korekana asebono ekekorekyo kyabirege kumachwa nonya ningana bari go chukwanera igoro ya amagendero anene ase oroboti Finance Bill ero omwaka o 2024-2025 oyibono bali gochikukwanira egati yemirobere babegete asiba gochikweneki amagendero y'omwaka oyo ase chibesa nigobono omusangirikano yo oturaniwa natiba igeti igokora okwanira enganiyo. Togotina na Jona Goskamoto nigo ikenyoro ikyanyabondo babukira na ase egekorekia obwime ase ensemo ose wodi yabuika aime county ya Kisii maiga ya abaibe ego ikwenda kuiba transformer obotuko bobokira rero kurende nigo abanyakinyoro baba waka ekurota egentokirira abaibe abo gotiga transformer inse egikonye baikiri kurwa ase emete yechistima na nyetiga sabuna gotama ase bono basabire oburende botinywa ase chinsemo echo
bana yene community policy
jengar guru franya motaro inajete ngarara paisa mbiri kingocha kindaire ngaigwa abantu bakora kuri stima yabutokire igina abantu bakora kuri pakasinkora mirango Narinko mulika bango sa gondisia maisa ngo katolisa so tokanya to butoro umotu. Nariwa anko ligereli ngo kura ngasa kura. Chiama jiganko igankonya. Akyo moga mbeda transman arte chieti ano moga mbita kon.
Je asamalieta ne Paul Chwangi vice chairman ya area location ege chicheke ya Kyanyabondo. Umugambi kibagendi. Bakito konye muna into security ntobwati tochi. Ntobwati boot tokonyara ko kodregas Drain court intobwati etutagete moto recognize muna baturete bare recognized
nengoro ku France akakimangoina namumanyiwe kinyoro kende gaiga Nyabondo oburendi togotebe serikali yetu mwaga kebagendia nayo muchumbu ito burendi ntubwati unabona oroche to abantu bagocha kuibaga tuguchikwa kabo igaiga musocho ngana togwa kesi miegerene tokonywe burendi mboyo ngabasikali mbabwati gari ekero batabwati gari mburendi kitubwate bono how save are we
Chingaki engana yomuswada wechibesa finance bill nigobono ogandate ogukwanirwa imeyenseto ya Kenya sibono gendete korata dibirera kuras chinsemo cha siasa sensemo yabara ikorwa rerobongorwa gusi abugoro nigo babete ba okwanira igoro yengane yo asibate nigo barachi kunyopinga omuswada yo kerora chubika ase ebunge nigo kwana negitase ni Kyandizi TV nigo bono oyomo wa abarai babasai kurasa orubongo rwagusi bono aboliri abarai kurwa ase orubongo rwagusi ichinga kibali ase bunge kwenekinga ngopinga bari wasenkwamerya bari omoswado yo obwechibesa umwaka o 2024 o 2025 oyora chikoko genderya okongeria abakenya obugima ase bono baboliri abarai kobeka abakenya mutwe na gwikirania ebirero by'abakenya ase ebunge.
From the recent happenings, we've seen a lot of issues happening. Moroche, taxes that are being imposed on people, the finance bill. In fact, yesterday you saw even the UDA leaders themselves opposing some of the taxes and the finance bill. Represent our issues. Moko gaenda mwabe kwe room, mwata yonga gaenda mokole 1 2 3. Mutabuga interest chaba nanchi genda mokora bana inchi gas chi taxes echiko ba imposed kana strongly so that at the end of the day the people have power belongs to the people ekero moja gojaga 2027 you guys you'll be vetted na nanyo ale mwachireka. Stop tending to misuse police tafadhali. Politics will come and go. Siasa gende ground. Siasa do let people take it to the ground. Abaskali ava they will work with the person of the day, government of the day. Tika kutumeka abaskali go intimidate.
Abari mu boje secondary choboroso imeyense ya Kenya ni go bagendrete no mugiro bemeremo yabo asiri tukoria rero kurachi county ni go bakora ukurobikana komorembe asiri county chabo asebono baganire serikali go ikiranie amagani yabo egati yebiro byabo ni go baganete serikali kubakana chibesa chire chingiya naboigo kwenekinga nkubalika bare bene ase omoyobiro o permanent asikiri baterona nigo serikali yabeirege kobareka ase murubiro gwekonda asika kire egetambe asebono baganire serikali yo kubarika omurubiro yo permanent elinde kogenderya na amerimo yabo asebono batebire bose barire ehiramuna tibagochi koirana merimo gwika serikali yikiranire ebirero byabo.
And the point is clear, without compensation and confirmation, we are not coming back. We are not. Anybody who is going here? No. We are not, and we have agreed that. And those who are threatening us, any kind of victimization, any kind of threats, we are not buying it. And those in authority, we are protected by our constitution. Our strike is very legal. We are authorized, and you are threatening us. We are not taking, we are not buying your appeal for your information. We will.
Tugotirikana na yokurase chinsemo chichisemina goska mutego ika ase ebintu bituitanane ni gobono abamanye ba ebintu bituitanane bono baboliria abalime amona bakenya bonsi kwenekinga ngosimeka bale emete emiya anene emeterie etarikonywa amache amange na bogosari riroba ni gobono baboliria abakenya kugendera ngosimeka emete una omora igwense abetega yakorwa ogochika elyo gwikirania eganga yogosimeka emetechi bilioni 15 oika omwe emyaka 10 motwe ase bono obaringi gosimeka emeteri tukorero ase county ya EOC asemo ase emocho wedore ikobono babolire abakenya kwene kingango simeka bare anene emete ya matunda elyo yanyora yarwa amatunda naboigo kolinda ebintu bitwitene naboigo kwene kingango kora tule mochando bo njoro lya kwerire ojobere mochando ase egeka kira egetambe emeyenseto ya Kenya.
For others for sale, they can be fruit trees, indigenous, others for ornamental, and many others. And therefore, we want to urge the public that the trees will be, these seedlings will be available in the next 2 months, because we are already in serious growing of those seedlings. We also want to thank the government because we have a lot of seeds we got from KEFRI, which we are actually propagating.
The State Department for Higher Education. Through this department, the institutions have received this application. I think it is developed by KEFRI, and this application is a Jazamiti application. It's called a Jazamiti application, and this year is when we want to start applying it. The purpose of this app is to be able to monitor the activities related to all that we are doing about climate change, especially tree planting, and also capturing the number of trees. And in this, you are able also to factor in the success rates of trees. And once you do that, you can see the trends and be able to take the appropriate actions to restore a situation where the success rate is high.
In Elgeyo Marakwet. And at the same time, along the slopes of the ranges there, they are trying to encourage the farmers to grow tree fruits like avocado, macadamia.
Tugotigana nayo nabwegera ase chinse chisuko ase bono robotiro wichania obuno murai bwense ya Irane nigo no abende kabusiria obuma bwaye maiga yokonyora mubosokana obwa endege oyo korekanete abugoro korinde ase asiria obuma bwaye ritko riarero nigo omubosokano yo okorekanete ase egetunwa ayokere kilomita imechimisano nemo northwest of capital of Tehran ase endege yo yawete abigoro marago bakurinde egati yabarai bande barengororo negati nigo ya babwate bose baringe amono mukonyi baringe amono mu waziri w'echinse chisiko wense yo ya Irane egati yabarai bande ase bono entoke otebekana kya irete omubasokano yo wendege yo okorekana nigo baoteba egose otebekana nerirumbe eliri abeteri gochora ase egetunekyo nakwirira omubasokano yo okorekana eyebu igoro maroba. Mwachumuria orobotoro igoro yogosira kubogima obwaye omurai wense ya Iran nere murai Ibrahim Raisi nuboko na roboto ikeria omwerio obwamangana magia obwe asenchera yowenge asegekeke korende ayo mana yanda mangi dogende to kwareganere no nyanyore chikoraga enseyemo ya bono maroba ase obwikirano airetari ande Dorcas kemuma nani goto bwaterana nere Lydia Mose ojore ukumanya witera senchera yemenyerio nera sara momanye aine kingamari gine chibicha awikire asenchera yowikirano twara oborigirenia obuya imeyandizi TV nabo bansu bomuhuse.